treasures.
All of them from the closet.
Oh, you mean this garbage? I was cleaning up and,
What? How could you?
A candy wrapping? A broken toy car?
Yes, all mine, don't you dare. You have no heart.
Oh, hey Sam, what's this? Is it yours?
Nope. Holy cannoli. That's the treasure map of Davy Jones!
No way! Why do you have it?
Davy and I were sailors together on a ship.
Well, how did it get here?
He forgot it. I'm telling ya.
Should we return it to him?
Return? We'll find the treasure ourselves. I'm not a bad treasure hunter myself. What do we have here? If I go this way, and what's that? That's strange.
Hey guys, I think Sam needs some help. I'll make him a secret pirate chest in case he doesn't find the real one. What do you think will be inside? Write in the comments below.
Why are you whispering?
Nothing. I'll be making a jewelry box. Will you help?
I have better things to do.
Guys, I need to make it quickly while Sam is busy. Don't tell him yet. I'll need this cute little chest. Lots of seashells. Some other stuff for decoration. A hot glue gun and acrylic paint. I'll take the glue gun and use it to glue the rope to the edges. Just a few drops here and here. We'll attach the rope like that. Small piece here. And yeah, that looks quite nice. Now the other side.
Matey, greetings from Captain Sam.
Hey, Captain. How's the treasure hunt?
I'm working on it.
Now I'll apply some modeling paste along the rope lines here. Just like these, we fill all the gaps around the chest. No need to tidy here. Later, I'll explain why.
Why what?
Why is it bad to keep somebody's treasure?
Finders keepers. I'll give it to the poor. Would I make a good Robin Hood? Give a thumbs up.
Yeah, right. The paste is dense enough, and now I'll press the chains into it. In the same exact way, all around the chest. On all of the edges. This is actually very special paste that's used for artwork. Soon it will harden completely and the chains will be secured.
Okay, so if I go here, I should come out to these, what are these?
While Sam's busy, let's go on. I'll take this decorative net. It looks just like the fish net. And we'll glue it really well onto here. And on this side too. Press and release. Done! Now let's decorate the chest cover with the seashells. Let's start with a big one. Guys, always be careful with the hot glue gun and ask an adult to help you. And we'll place it right here in the corner. Now all these little guys too. it's faster just to cover the surface with the glue and stick the shells on. It takes so much more time to do it one by one. Oh no, it's Sam. He can't see the chest yet.
Arrrr, matey, give me a hand with these pyramids, will ya?
These? They look like wigwams to me.
I think that's candy. Ho, ho, ho! Savvy?
Aye, aye, Captain. Here. Oh, this pirate almost caught me. Okay, let's add some anchors, chains, and ship wheels to our decor, so the chest looks just like the real one. I'll make the sand with more modeling paste and microbeads. I'll just apply paste randomly like this. Still no need to make it perfect, just go. Splash some beads on it and press very lightly.
Ahoy, mateys, all hands on deck. Captain needs your help. Subscribe to my channel or you'll be looking for the Davy Jones chest. Thank you.
Okay, all decorations are in place now. I'll just finish the look with the black acrylic paint. It's an old chest, so it's darkened with time. Take a brush and let's go! Yeah, it would be so much easier if I got spray paint, but it's okay. I'll work with what I have. That's why it wasn't necessary to make all these small details look really nice. The paint will cover it and it won't be visible. My favorite part is coming up. I'll tint some of the parts with this extra shiny copper paint and a sponge brush. I know it doesn't look like it does anything yet, but just wait a minute, guys. You'll be amazed by the result. Told you guys! See how piratey it looks? Just like the real thing. Now I'll go hide it for Sammy to find. Sam, did you find the treasure yet?
No, something's wrong with this map. Poor Pirate Sammy.
What's wrong with it?
I checked all the paths, but no treasure! This villain has set me up.
Here's some candy. Let me take a look.
What's the point?
That's better. Hey, Sam! Do you see this?
No! How did I miss that? I never looked in your room!
Well, come on, quick!
Woohoo! My beloved treasure! What's inside? Sue, open it up, open it up, open it up! Oh, Sue! Do you see that too? Is it not just me?
I guess it's real, Sam. Good job.
You can go now and I'll see how my treasure tastes.
What about the poor? They're waiting for the treasure.
Oh, Sue, you'll never make it as a rover. Where did you even see the honest pirates? Guys, did you like the video? Give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the most wonderful channel of the most wonderful slime. And now, to the next video. Enjoy another adventure. The most wonderful, of course. this assembling.
What's the matter, Sammy? You don't like this Lego kit?
No, I do. A lot, but I've started to assemble it well, I saw a dream about Mr. Brownie who told me that without the ship Black Pearl, I'd be cursed with no candy eating. But I don't have this ship in reality. Now it's
There, Sammy. No ship. Yet. It's just that you were off to assemble this Lego figure so fast I didn't get to tell you that besides the figure, you also get a matching ship.
Let me see. So, where's the ship?
Here, look. We only need to pop out the parts and connect them and... Oh, let's see. Oh no!
What? What's wrong?
I can't find the sails!
Oh no! Without the sails, it will be a completely different ship and I'll be cursed for sure!
Here, a compass and a spyglass for you. They will help you find the sails.
Oh, yeah! I'm off to search for important treasures! Guys, while I'm searching for treasures, write in the comments whether you found any treasures yourselves and what it was! Woohoo!
Right. Let's see. I need to start with these parts.
No sign of treasures.
You're looking into the wrong side of the spyglass.
Looks like I'm not as experienced a pirate as I thought.
Why don't you ask for advice from someone more experienced?
Oh, right! My Lego figure! I have to finish it!
Go on, because I'll need those sails pretty soon.
To assemble an experienced Lego pirate, you need to be an experienced Lego assembler. And that's me! There, a bit more. I think I'm already cursed with no Lego assembling. Or lopsided Lego assembling.
This landed on my table. You do remember that Sparrow is Jack's nickname. He doesn't fly.
Oh, I know! Not only he doesn't fly, he doesn't even assemble.
Right. Let me help. You were simply looking at the manual upside down.
These are the tricks of Mr. Brownie. He turned everything upside down from the dream, so I would fail.
Could be. Don't worry, you won't fail now. This goes here. And that goes there. And now his feet. And a sword, of course.
Here! This one too!
Right! This is the last part. There! Awesome! We did good. You can continue the search now, right?
Sure! Well, Jack, old pal, are you ready to help me search for the missing sails?
Okay, just a little bit left. I wonder how Sam's in. What? What is it?
There! Oh, see for yourself!
Let's go. Oh, Sammy! You found treasures! Let's see what's in there.
No. Don't touch! What if you get cursed?
It'll be alright, don't worry. Ta-da!
Wow! Pirate coins! Can't do without them.
And the sails, too!
Wow!
Let's finish our pirate ship. Hey guys, did you know that the 19th of September is the International Talk Like a Pirate Day? On this day, it's considered perfectly normal to talk with a pirate accent and add words and phrases like "arrgh" and "shiver me timbers." Ready, Sam? Oh, sorry. I mean your pirateness. Your ship is complete and is ready to set sail.
Arrrr! Now the curse of no candy eating will never get me. Shiver me timbers.
Oh, Sam, here.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like Pirate's Life. I mean today's video.
And subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss another pirate adventure with Sam. Bye!